How to create CRA account. Want to set up your CRA account quickly? Let's make it simple and stress-free. First, visit the official CRA website by WRTING CRA login on Google Platform OR by opening using the website URL www.canada.ca/my-CRA-account. Easy to find. Register, sign in to your account 1. With sign-in partner, with your bank account 2. With CRA user ID and password. Now validate your identity by adding your SIN, social insurance number, birth date and your last tax return amount. Note, the tax information can be found in the return you got from your tax accountant. Personal information, you can see yours here. As on register, they asked for, enter line 15000 from your 2024 income tax and benefit return. You can view your tax information on the second or third page of your tax return summary provided to you by your tax accountant. The amount written after 15000, total income, would be the amount to be entered at the time of registration. No need to write the point value here and click Next. After clicking Next button, you will be able to see the page asking to enter tax information for some other line, as you can see in the above image. To enter the tax information, follow the same steps as we discussed in previously. Also, if there is no value written in front of the line in your tax information, then write 0. Once value is written, click Next. Verification options. You will see two options. Interact Document Verification Service. CRA Security Code by Mail. Select option and click Next. Note, as per my suggestion, choose the second option because sometimes the first option does not work. You need to enter the postal code to receive the CRA security code. Once click Next. You will receive the CRA code within 5 to 10 business days. Note, the security code comes on address which CRA has. If you have changed your address, you first need to call CRA to update your address. Create CRA user ID and password. Now make your CRA account by creating user ID and password. Once you are good with your user ID and password, scroll to the bottom and click Next. Create security questions and answers. Select the question whichever you want and write answer for that. Note, you need to save this information as it will be asked when you will be logged in to the CRA account. Terms and conditions. On Terms and Conditions page, scroll to the bottom and enter your password. You will see that your user ID is auto-filled. Now click on I agree button. Multi-factor authentication. It will show three options: Authenticator app, telephone, passcode grid. Select the best option which suits you for the multi-factor authentication of your CRA account. Multi-factor authentication, passcode grid example. Next, if you select the third option, passcode grid, then you will be asked few questions at the time of login. Once you select the passcode grid option and click Next, you will see a passcode grid example. Now, simply click on Generate and then Yes and save the PDF. On clicking Next, they will ask you questions from your passcode grid, fill that and click on Next. Now they will tell you that your CRA code will become within 5 to 10 business days at your address recorded with CRA. On the next page, scroll to the bottom of the page and select I agree. Welcome page. Now you will redirect to the welcome page where you will see, you have limited access, warning, and will be asked to enter your CRA security code. You will also see your account, and you need to select that account. Once you get your CRA security code, fill that code by clicking on Enter your CRA security code. On selecting the account, you will be redirected to the overview of the page which shows you have limited access. If you want full access, just enter CRA code which you will receive. Thank you.